Right, taking a new what that plane was, as I've just seen coming in though. This was a Royal Air Force Airbus A400M I've just seen today apparently. This is a military transport plane that we sometimes see apparently. As you can tell, that was a Royal Air Force Airbus A400M that was. As you can see, the call sign here is RRR4030, that is. And the registration is ZM409, that is. So literally this is the one that's based at RAF Bryce Norton, that is. But just so you can see from here, it's literally just flown at 27,975 feet from here. It's literally flown very high from here actually, because it's quite a difficult spot though for the Airbus A400M and going up that high, to be honest, you know. So yeah, so that was the RAF Airbus A400M that was, just so you can see. So where it's come from. So he was literally took off based at RAF Bryce Norton at 9:52 AM, just literally took off just before 9:50 AM. Just so you can see that took off from RAF Bryce Norton. So yeah, that's where it took off from, apparently just from Bryce Norton, but it looks like it's heading off to Gladesby Airport today apparently. So yeah, this is where it's heading off to today apparently, over to Gladesby Airport in Portugal, Spain. Whether that's heading to today apparently, that's heading to Gladesby Airport today. Which that's the one that's aiming to today apparently, as it's travelling from RAF Bryce Norton to Gladesby Airport in Spain. Well, there he is, that's Gladesby right there. That's where it's going to aim today apparently, at Gladesby Airport. This is where it's aiming today apparently. This is where it's going to aim apparently, just at Gladesby Airport. I will have to say though, nice powerful engine from the Airbus A400M, I have to say. It's got a nice powerful engine though, especially a nice fly past sound from it though, I have to admit. But anyway, so yeah, that was just this plane I've just seen apparently, which that was an Airbus A400M that's just gone over my place, you know. It's literally just flown past over Truro, as you can see. That's literally just flown over Truro, which you know. So yeah, and then from here is literally just flown over Frogpool sort of way. Okay, so yeah, this is where I was going today apparently, from RAF Bryce Norton to Gladesby Airport. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.